अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। आज मैं हाजिर हूँ आप लोगों के लिए लेकर इंग्लिश का पार्ट 2, जिसमें हम इंग्लिश बोलना सीखेंगे। नेक्स्ट MCQ है आपके पास, शी डैश द विनर ऑफ द कंपटीशन। इज़ और आर। शी इज़ द विनर। आई डैश अ बिग फैन ऑफ म्यूज़िक। आई एम अ बिग फैन। द चिल्ड्रन डैश प्लेइंग इन द पार्क। इज़ और आर। राइट आंसर इज़ आर। Dash it cold outside. Is or are. Right answer is is. We dash going on a vacation next week. Am or are. Right answer is we are. He dash the captain of the team. Right answer is he is a captain of the team. I dash ready to leave. Is or am. Right answer is am. I am ready to leave. The books dash on the tables. Right answer is are. The books are on the tables. The dash from Canada. Are or is. Right answer is are they from Canada. Are they from Canada? She dash the CEO of the company. Is or are. Right answer is is. She is the CEO. The dog dash barking loudly. Right answer is is. The dog is barking loudly. They dash your friends. Are is. Right answer is are. Are they your friends? She dash a talented musician. Is or are. Right answer is is. We dash going to the movies tonight. Is or are. Right answer is are. We are going. Dash it your pen. Is it your pen or are it your pen? Right answer is it your pen? I dash not happy with the results. Am or are. Right answer am. I am not happy with the results. The cars dash parked outside the building. Is or are. Right answer is is. The dash she your sister. Is she your sister? Are she your sister? Right answer is she your sister. They dash a good friends. Are or is. राइट आंसर इज दे आर गुड फ्रेंड्स। आई होप आज की वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। अगर आप इंग्लिश पर कोई और वीडियो सीखना चाहते हैं तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।